In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Docs Esignature. If you've ever needed to collect signatures without leaving your document, this built-in tool makes the process straightforward from start to finish. We'll walk through setting it up, sending it out, and what happens once everything is signed so you can feel confident the first time you use it. Start by opening your document in Google Docs. From the top menu, choose Tools, then select Esignature. When you do, a sidebar opens on the right. Think of this as your control center for preparing the document. You'll add signers, place fields, and send the request from here. It helps to skim your document first to confirm everything looks final before you begin. Next, add the people who need to sign. Click Manage Signers in the sidebar and enter their names. You can include up to 10 signers on a single document. As you add them, Google assigns each signer their own set of fields in the document. This ensures every person has exactly what they need to complete, and nothing gets mixed up. Now place the signature fields where they belong. Drag and drop from the sidebar into the document. You'll see options for signature, initials, name, date, and a general text field. Signature is where the person officially signs. Initials are helpful for acknowledging specific sections. Name and date are auto-filled by the signer, and text fields are great for titles, addresses, or any short note you need. Each signer's fields appear in a different color, so it's easy to double-check that every spot is assigned to the right person. Take a moment to align and resize fields so they sit neatly on the page. When everything is ready, click Request Signature. Enter the email addresses of your signers, add an optional message to give context or a deadline, and send. Google will deliver an email with a secure signing link to each person you included. If you want extra peace of mind, review the recipient list carefully before sending. Here's what your signers will see. They open the email, click the link, and the document opens with their required fields highlighted. They fill in anything marked as required, type their name, and Google creates the signature for them. Once they're done, they click Mark Complete. It's simple and fast, even for first-time users. After everyone has signed, Google automatically generates a final PDF. It includes an audit trail that shows who signed and when, and a copy is shared with all participants. You now have a polished, signed version ready to file, share, or send wherever it needs to go.